Did you know you can build a web app in just 3 minutes, completely free, using AI? In this video I'll show you exactly how, step by step, with a tool called Bolt. Stay till the end to see the result. So what is Bolt? Here's the idea. Build and scale high-performing websites and apps using your words. Join millions and start building today. Basically, it lets you build a web app right in your browser, with no skills needed. Let me show you exactly how. Here are some real examples created with Bolt. Just look at the quality, and remember, all of this was made by regular people with no experience. With Bolt you can build a web app and a whole lot more in seconds. No downloads, no complicated setup, everything runs right in your browser. These results are stunning, and the best part is you can make something just like this yourself in only 3 minutes. Let me show you how. First, head over to the Bolt website and click sign up. Log in with your Google account in just a few seconds, no credit card needed. To build a web app, just type a simple description of what you want, or upload your file. The AI takes care of all the hard work for you. Hit generate, and in seconds the AI creates your result, just like these examples. Pick your favorite and move on. When you're happy with it, download your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your projects, or social media. Done in 3 minutes. The free plan is perfect to get started. If you need more, the paid plans are cheap and scale up as you grow. And that's how you build a web app with AI in 3 minutes. The link to try Bolt for free is in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I review a brand new AI tool every single day.